Welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at the top 10 DeFi coins by market cap. We'll start with Uniswap at number 3, followed by Chainlink, Lido DAO, The Graph, AAVE, Maker, Rocketpool, Curve DAO, and then we'll end it with, Injective, and then we'll end it with Synthetix Network at number 13. Actually, it's number 10 because we cut off the stable coins. Let's get straight into it. Uniswap against BTC. Mountains, do you see this? Mountains 1, Mountains 2. This is not good. I feel we're gonna be collapsing eventually. How high is Mountain 3 going to be? Again, we don't know. We don't know, but we don't like what we see because there's a very clear support line over here. So we are expecting a slice under the support line eventually, right? And the rally has been pretty weak so far. I mean, of course, we could get something like this, but yep, things are very bearish. I don't like it. Yeah, I'm anticipating a mountain number 3. The only thing is, what's the height of mountain number 3? Are we gonna kiss the skinny pink line again before coming back down? Or are we just gonna hover close to the support before breaking? We don't know. The point is, Uniswap BTC doesn't look good at all. Uniswap against USDT. Here we are for Uniswap. Same freaking thing. Mountains 1, Mountains 2. Are we gonna get a mountain number 3? We don't know. Are we gonna break the skinny pink line? Stay above the skinny pink line. Continue higher. We could do something like this though, but again, I just don't see it yet. So yeah, Uniswap is a no-go for us. Chainlink against BTC. Okay, what I like about Chainlink is that we are completing potentially. You can count 5, right? And this is a lower low, right? On the you don't see on the monthly, on the weekly, yeah, not on the RSI. So it's still quite bearish though. Could we still head lower? Yes, sure, of course. Any clear signs of a reversal? No, but we could be close to the end. But the thing is, we're in a downwards trend. Eventually this will end. That's what we think, right? But we just don't see the bullish reversal yet. So we're gonna be very careful. We're gonna stay safe, and we're not gonna be rushing into anything, right? Chainlink against USDT. Yeah, I can count 5 waves as well, right? Are we gonna break out from here, or are we gonna continue lower? We don't know. There was a support line over here, which we crossed it, and then we crossed back up and said, hey, this is good. This is a bullish sign, right? Every time there is selling pressure, buying pressure comes in, pushes the price higher. Are we going to go above the skinny pink line? We don't know. It has to happen first. Buying pressure comes in, break the skinny pink line, take everybody's stop buy up, have a consolidation above the skinny pink line, start spiking again. The best bullish case scenario, but we just don't see it yet, because we could still hit lower. So you need to be very, very careful about rushing into anything for Chainlink. Lido DAO against BTC. Here we are for LDO. Any clear signs of a nope? Things are bearish. We crossed the skinny pink line. We formed a mountain over here. This whole thing is very bearish to me. This is already a completion of a right shoulder, right? Very likely here we're about to complete a right shoulder. Left shoulder hit, right shoulder. LDO is about to collapse, right? There's some support over here. The noisy area is around here, so it's around 3,000. We're at 6,003. This is going to be brutal if and when we fall, which is another 50%. Potentially, again, I can't say for sure, but yeah, this is just not good, right? Every time we go under the skinny pink line and we fail to break back up, yeah, this means that the bearish trend has started. The bearish trend has started for Lido DAO. LDO against USDT. Okay, it's not as bearish as the BTC pair, but LDO still, no, but it's just not really looking that good to me. You can see here, right? Head and shoulders. Again, are we gonna get a descending over here? Could we be wrong? Of course. Could there be a falling channel here that could be about to break higher? Sure. But again, I don't like this selling pressure, right? Every time we rally, we get pulled back down. Rally, we get pulled back down. Are we gonna get pulled back down? Yeah, I think so. I don't have any targets. We could complete 2 mountains, maybe the 3rd one, and then pump, continue lower. Right, to be honest, LDO doesn't look good to me. Not at all. I still think we're going to take out these lows. Right, we're going to go to sub $1. High risk that we could be going to sub 1. If LDO BTC drops 50%, you can be sure that LDO is going to drop far more than 50%. So be careful. Be careful, boys and girls. The graph, GRT BTC. Here we are for the graph. Any clear signs of a bullish reversal? No. We broke the skinny pink line, but we got slapped back down. So there's still selling pressure, pulling the price lower for GRT BTC. GRT USDT. Here we are for the graph. Yeah, so there was a descending over here. We broke down. We broke back up. And what's this? What's this? Yeah, so anyway, we've already strongly broken back up above the resistance line. So we're no longer going to consider the target. We're going to consider it as largely invalidated, because it feels to me like the graph could be heading higher, potentially, right? So many clusters of stop buys over here. So pump, 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 pump as we go higher, right? And this whole thing could actually be a wave 2, wave 3, 4, 5. Woohoo! We don't know. The thing is, we don't know. We're not sure yet. So yeah, we're just still, mucking around the skinny pink line, right? Normally when things are turning bullish, the whales are very, very, very impatient, like this, up and up and up and up and up, right? In very quick succession, right? But this is, yeah. Where is the energy? Where is the bullish energy? Yeah, it's not here yet. It's just not here. AAVE against BTC. Here we are for AAVE. AAVE is about to take out these lows. We anticipate these lows to be taken, right? Falling channel, right, to break higher. But the point is, where is the bottom? Is this the bottom? I don't think so. AAVE could be heading a little bit lower first. Of course, we could be wrong and things could just start reversing back up. But until we see clear through big buying pressure coming in for AAVE, BTC, we're not going to be rushing into anything. Things can, of course, change anytime, but yeah, I just don't see it yet. AAVE against USDT. Here we are for AAVE. Okay, the thing about AAVE USD is we kind of like it. Why? Because this is a squeeze. You see this? Yeah, and to be honest, there was actually a bullish move over here, right? A, B, C, D, something like an E. We were anticipating AAVE to hit higher, right? So that's why we had a target over here, 234. 10th of May, right? Now it's already July, May, June, July. 2 months ago, we had this target, and then we dipped lower. We took out these lows, right? Whale shenanigans. We took out these lows with this one move down, but we maintain the structure of the squeeze, right? Because this is still a higher low, lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high, and higher lows. You see that? As long as we don't take out these lows, it's still a valid squeeze. You see that? So which means that if we could just consolidate here a little bit longer, yeah, we could be heading higher. I mean, sure, of course, we could dip a little bit lower as well, but yeah, I'm anticipating AAVE to head higher. So that's why for AAVE BTC, we were like, where is the bottom? We're not too sure where the bottom is, but we still remain positive that there could be a break towards the upside for AAVE USD. Maker, yes, Maker against BTC. Okay, Maker is the most beautiful of all for the BTC pair, right? We visited this time and time again, and this is an A. Up for a B. Look at this. C. Woo! A, B, C. Break up. Phew, D, E. That's it. Sayonara, bitches! We head towards 53 cents. We had this target, not 53 cents, 0.53. This is Maker against BTC. Can you imagine if Maker goes to half of BTC's price? If BTC is, for example, right, what is BTC's price today? Let me check. CoinGecko, BTC's price is 30,000. Can you imagine Maker at 15,000? Insane, right? That's absolute insanity. Maker against USDT, but we like Maker. Maker USDT, yeah, we have 1,008. If the target is 15,000, this is a long way to go. Very long way to go. Moreover, Maker against USD, we're already above the skinny pink line. Right, we're gonna assume that the squeeze is already out. Sure, we may retrace towards the support, but I would anticipate the skinny pink line to hold the door, and after that consolidate, and the skinny pink line just keeps curving up. We hit target here, 1,008. Woohoo! That'll be awesome. This was the target that we acquired today, 11th of July. So a fresh target out of the oven for you, right? Of course, if things go wrong, as in like we go back under the support line, and we break the skinny pink line back down, then yeah, of course, we'll go back to the drawing board. But we like what we see on Maker BTC. Therefore, we see the potential for Maker USD as well. So yeah, Maker is kind of an outlier among the coins that we have just taken a look, right? So I kind of like what I see on Maker. Rocket Pool, yes sir, RPL BTC. If you look at Rocket Pool, okay, don't see much here. If you look at Rocket Pool BTC, we look at it on CoinMarketCap. Okay, if we do it here, yeah. So Rocket Pool, when I look at Rocket Pool, it reminds me of Ultra, right? There's a squeeze over here, breakout. There's a dip, we're out again, dip, we're out again, dip, we're out again, dip. Is this the end, or will we go out again for rocket pool? Again, we're not too sure. Let me just tell you what I mean. If you look at Ultra, right, Ultra did the same thing, something like a consolidation, out, right, out, 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 and then that's it, sayonara bitches. We cross the skinny pink line, and yeah, you just don't look back anymore. That's it, it's gone, it's gone. We're on our way back down, right? I mean, of course, this could be a reversal, but we just don't see it yet, right? Rocket pool against USD. Okay, I don't like what I see for rocket pool USD. Why? It's a margin, just marginally higher high. I don't like this. I don't like this. I really don't like this. Again, there's a very nice support line over here, right? And you can also consider this as a rising channel. You see that? So we could be breaking the rising channel, heading back towards support, and then we could be getting a right shoulder over here, left shoulder, and then we get a head, right shoulder. We collapse even lower for rocket pool. Doesn't look good to me. Not at this point of time. I don't know. I'm not going to be going long for rocket pool. Not at this point of time. Of course, at the top over here, we could also be getting a right shoulder. And this could spell the end of rocket pool's insane rise from the very bottoms way back in 2018. Right, this could be the end. Again, we're up 256,000%. Sorry, 25,000%. Bro, we're talking about 256x, 25,000. So yeah, okay, we're not too sure though. Sure, of course, we could just drop a little bit lower, we could still consolidate, you know, and this could be a very big bullish continuation as rocket pool heads higher. For sure, but yeah, we just don't see it yet, and marginally higher highs are potentially double bearish divergences, and we could be heading lower. If we head lower, we're just going to be solidifying the support line to be broken. So yeah, I don't really like what I see on rocket pool. Curve down, CRV against BTC. Here we are for CRV. Okay, CRV is a bit, again, I can't say for sure. But this looks to me like a C to me. Like a C, A, B, right down for a C. Break up for a D, E, break higher. Yes, no? Yeah, okay, we're not too sure. We're still under the skinny pink line though. So the bias is still bearish for curve against BTC. We're aware that there's a noisy area over here. So we are anticipating curve to dip a little bit lower. Hopefully bounce off of it, consolidate a little bit longer, and just break out. That is the hope that we have for curve. Will it happen? Remains to be seen. Curve against USD. Yeah, so again, ABC, right? Up for a D and then E. That's it. We're out. Not too sure. We are still under the skinny pink line. You see this? We're still under the skinny pink line. So it's still in a bearish trend, to be honest. But I kind of like what I see though. I see the potential for curve against USD and against BTC as well. But it's not textbook perfect. But it's still a valid squeeze, right? Because this is a lower high. And these are higher lows, right? We could also just drop down, sweep up these lows, and just start zipping back up. And still maintain the squeeze. You see that? Do you see that, ladies and gentlemen? Yeah, so again, we're not entirely sure. Would be great if curve does something like maker, break above the skinny pink line, stay above it, and yeah, we'll be expecting more upside, right? But we're still under the skinny pink line, so there is danger we could head lower, right? And I can already count. Is this 5 waves? Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, no, it's not. 1, 2. Yeah, there could be another wave higher. We could be touching the skinny pink line, and then a deep retrace. Hopefully we break it though, but yeah, I don't think it's ready for an entry yet. Not for me, not for us. Injective against BTC. Here we are for Injective. Yeah, so Injective, we think that Injective is gonna hit a little bit higher. This is turning into an ascending triangle. You see this, ladies and gentlemen? Do you see this, ladies and gentlemen? Yeah. So this is value 1, value 2, value 3. Out. Right. But I don't know if you're gonna be taking out these highs. I'm hoping that it doesn't, because this is already a 1, 2, 3, 4, another 1, 5. That's it for Injective. That's our guess. I mean, of course, things can always just start blasting off from here for sure, but yeah, if you follow EWT, this is very likely the 5th wave up. That's it. I don't know if you're going to be taking out these highs, but this could be the final wave up for Injective. So you need to be very, very careful about rushing in over here. I saw some influencers pushing Injective, but from a technical standpoint, yeah, I mean, you have to know what you're doing, right? If you were to make an entry over here, you must be able to secure profits as you go along, right? Look at this, inverse head and shoulders, out, right? And this was a falling channel, falling wedge, out. Yeah, is this tradable? The answer is yes. Yes, this is tradable. Yes, we should be breaking higher for Injective BTC. Injective USDT. We have a target over here. Ta-da! We got this target way back in June. We're still expecting more upside. 2 weeks ago, we got this target. And Injective USD is just mirroring the BTC pair. More upside is to be expected for Injective. I don't think we're done yet. I think there's still more upside. Could we dip a little bit lower? Sure. We could dip a little bit lower. Maybe get a cup and handle. Yeah, this is looking to me like a cup and handle. And then pump, we break higher, right? But yeah, the main chart pattern is here, the falling channel. We break out to $13.77 to be exact. I think we'll probably sweep up the stop buys over here, right? Maybe towards 17 and then pump. We come back down, right? Our hope is that Injective forms a very nice squeeze, right? Ta-da! This is healthier. This is much healthier. If we just keep going up and up and up and up, yeah, there's always a price to pay. There will be a big slam down eventually. So be careful about rushing into a trade too soon for Injective. SNX against BTC. Here we are for SNX. Yeah, SNX already broken the support. This is not good. We have a target over here at 445. The immediate target is about how many percent away? 35% away. So for SNX, we are buyers bearish. Sure, this whole thing you can consider it as a falling channel of sorts, right? So even after we hit targets, there could be a break higher, potentially. But yeah, we're buyers bearish. You know, another 35% down for SNX, and this is just like coinciding with the support over here, right? So we're just So maybe we could drop a little bit lower past, I don't know, 400, right? But we're at 600. So yeah, but the point is we're still in a bearish trend. We're still under the skinny pink line, right? When we make moves like this, there's always a price to pay. And this is the price. The price is, yeah, we're down 90%. Bottom to top, 8,000% down 90%. You see how your gains can be erased just like that, right? You could have made, let's say 8,000%, right? From the very bottom to the very top. Let's say you could have made 8,000, but instead, right, if you wait for everything to fall, yeah, it becomes 600. So that's why it's very important to secure your profits as you go along, because you just never know when things might just start reversing. SNX against USD. Okay, I like SNX USD. Why? Because again, this is a squeeze. Do you see this? Lower highs, higher lows. Yeah. Could we see a breakout? We would love to see a breakout, but we just don't see it on the BTC pair yet. Right. Could we still head a little bit lower? Sure. We could still maintain structure or going lower, taking out the lows over here, right? ABC, DE, breaking higher. Potentially, but yeah, I don't really like what I see on SNX yet on the BTC pair. We want to have two pairs, the BTC and the USD pairs, looking pretty healthy, especially like Maker that we just went through. Yeah, that's the kind of chart pattern that you want to see on both pairs, right? You want similarities between the USD and BTC pair, which means that the particular coin is gaining strength against BTC. Otherwise, you would do much better putting your money in BTC rather than being in that altcoin. So for SNX case, it feels to me like SNX is better. Yeah, it's something that we should wait for the targets to be hit first, right? I mean, of course, we could be wrong and, you know, we can just zip up here, but yeah, I'm still sticking to 445. We're still loyal to our targets. All right, boys and girls, I guess that's it for today's DeFi coins technical analysis. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you in the next one. Ta-ta!